Hello, guys. Welcome back to another market recap. Today we got 2%, a very good trade, very good predicted, and very good documented. Today I'm going to talk about this trade on NQ. It was in the London session. My London session goes from 2 to 5. And as you can see, price almost got past 5. We got an entry at 455. So this is still inside the London kill zone. That's why we entered. We were bullish on the bias. The bias was clearly bullish, and we got also a very good confirmation. I can't show it right now because I only show it in the private group, but I got a level right there. It wasn't that perfect. It was, I think it was, yeah, it was one tick above it. So price perfectly tapped inside the London kill zone my level, perfectly respected it, created a market structure for value gap. I just placed the limit order. Okay, that's simple. Keep your trading edge simple and it will be easy. Okay, so I marked from this low to this high, the equilibrium, as you can see. The 0.5% area, sorry, I used the bodies, was perfectly right there. Okay. I placed my limit order right there. As you can see, wait, let me go to where was it? Member announcement. Yes. As you can see, I told my private group right here. I placed my limit order and I'm in 0.5% risk. Trade isn't high quality, so keep your risk low today. Okay. So perfect entry right there. I also entered with paper. This is a paper trading account on TradingView, but I also entered with my real accounts. So we entered right there. What did happen afterwards? Let's use the replay mode. So price was in a little bit of drawdown. That's not a big deal. Price came above it a little bit, as you can see. Suddenly, price went lower. Okay. If we check the 50-minute, we can see a perfect order block right here. Okay. And we can see price is perfectly respecting it. Also on the 50-minute. Okay. I told my group, very important, that price is supporting the order block and doesn't get traded through it. Also posted a picture right here. This is the order block. Okay. Didn't get past it. If we get past that order block, this would be a good sign. Okay. Which means if the price is going above the order block, this would be a very good sign. But it didn't happen. Although we got below the order block, we cleared all the lows below it. So now we can expect some bullish movement right there. We get below it. We cleared. Wait, let me go to the point. We created three lows, as you can see. And we got below. Wait. And we got below the order block and closed also below it, as you can see right here. Okay, we closed below it, but that isn't bad because we printed and engineered liquidity right here. We engineered this low, this low, this low, this low. Okay, we engineered three lows and we had two relative equal highs right there. What did the market do? So the guys are thinking, the retail traders are thinking that we're gonna go bullish or bearish, okay? They are maybe bearish from here or from here, and they think, okay, here's the next high right here. Let's place our stops above it, above this high. Nah, didn't work. Price stopped them out right here, okay? Now they think, oh, it will go bearish again. Okay, they do place a buy stop, a sell stop, sorry, right here. So they are in right there at short. And where do they place their stop loss? Right there, right? Target this low. But this is the low of the day. It will not get traded through. But they think that. Suddenly, what happens is stop loss. Okay, second time for them. What are we doing? We are smarter most of the times, not every time, but price cleared out all the lows right there, created a good market structure shift with a fair value gap. We are doing great. Okay, I told them 930 should carry at 8:58. Okay, this is Berlin time. That's why it is different. But I tweeted to them 930 should carry exactly at this candle right there. Okay. What did I expect as well? If we drag a fib from this low to this high, we have this equilibrium. Below equilibrium is discount. We are trading higher, which means we want to buy in a discount. So price will and can trade below into this discount area. What is below the discount area? There is the fair value gap. As you can see, perfectly tapped into it, instantly went higher, and then boom, another time higher. Okay, so we perfectly tapped into equilibrium, showing us the market is giving us a sign that the market is going to go bullish. Very good sign, very good price action. Then I told them right there, 10 minutes left till 9:30. We are doing good till now. 10 minutes left till 9:30. So at 9:20, I tweeted that. Here is 9:20. This was a very good start. 9:30. So 9:30 should carry. What does it mean? It means it should go up. This is my expect. Okay, and as you can see, 9:30 went higher. Okay, it went very well higher. Okay, and sorry, I don't think I entered right there. I think I used the wicks this time. So, yes, this was my actual entry. You can see also right here. Okay, it was 78675. 78675. Yes, this was my entry. Sometimes I use the buddies and sometimes I use the wicks. Okay, I will teach that in the private group, but yeah, this was my entry. And as you can see, price is very close to take profit. Okay, what did I told them right here? Don't be scared. There will be a bearish candle. I tweeted that at this candle. Okay. Some of you are thinking, bro, no way there will be a bearish candle and no way it will not hit TP. But I know exactly what the market is doing. Not always, as you know, but sometimes. Put break even if you want to take out partials. If you want, take out partials. Okay. What did happen after this candle? A bearish candle. Okay, this scares sometimes. But if you know what you are doing, it will not scare you. Okay. Price will dip into the fair value gap 930 and then go higher. When did I told them this message? At 9:40 New York local time. Where is 9:40? 9:40 is exactly right here. Okay. This is 9:40. Exactly at this candle. Where's our fair value gap? This is our fair value gap. Okay. Exactly. I told them price will dip into the fair value gap 930 and then go higher. Exactly at this candle, I told them that. Where's the 930 fair value gap? Exactly right here. This is the 930 fair value gap. Price dipped perfectly in it and went higher, as I told them. Okay? And man, let me cook. I cooked this trade. I exactly knew what price will do, and this was a very good trade. It wasn't, of course, a high RR trade, but this was a very good price action trade. Although we had accumulation, not instant TP, of course, but we had a very good read on price action. We had a good tape read. this is what we want. We want to know exactly what price is doing. Of course, we want to hit fast, take profits. For example, I think 1 week, or was it some days before it? This trade. Look at that trade, for example. We entered right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 20 minutes, we hit 2 RR. Okay. And here we hit, oh no, three. It was 3 RR. Sorry, we had 3 RR in 20 minutes. It's crazy. Here we do have a 2 RR trade, and we are currently up 7.87% in September, which is amazing. Okay. And September isn't even over yet. So, Alhamdulillah, we are doing very great. If you're interested in the private mentorship or private group, I don't like to call it mentorship, it's like a private group. I'm teaching my strategy. I'm doing live trades every single day. I'm always keeping you updated on all the trades I'm gonna take. It works on Forex, it works on NQ and futures. It is on London time. So if you don't have time at London, I'm sorry, but it is London kill zone related or based. It can work on other kill zones, but I like to trade it on London because it's the best. So yeah, if you're interested, just come into my Discord and DM me, and then we can talk about it. And yeah, that was it. Thanks for listening, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.